Welcome back to another video, guys. Here you guys have the Miata. Some of the footage, the early footage that we're going to see in this video is from the previous video. It was a day or two before. I just didn't get the chance to edit it in and just going ahead and editing it into this one. In the back of the Miata, when we first started, the body kit was kind of a little difficult to line up towards the back since the back of the Miata curves. It was a little difficult on how I was trying to imagine how to do it, but I sort of figured it out, and you guys will see later what I do with it. Towards the front, it was starting to even out. However, you could see the whiteness from the drywall putty had gotten too thick and it was becoming difficult to shave. The body of the kit was starting to take form once we got to breaking off the top white putty from the drywall. The Miata was definitely starting to take shape here, but knowing me and being picky on how I wanted the kit, I went ahead and just restarted. Up front, we were still need a lot to work towards, just a lot of work to do there, but we'll do that eventually. As when it comes to lining up the kit, I was trying to line it up the best way I can from the back to the front. In the video, you guys can kind of see the clip of how wide and how much I'm adding with the foam. Towards the back, it's a little slanted. You guys can start seeing I fill it up where the fastback and the body actually meet. Towards the back here, it's been about 1 day and let it foam up, and for it to grow, it's pretty much get its strength and foam up. Here I'm pretty much noticing that towards the back a little bit, I need to make it a little wider and straighter. Near the door handle, I need to add about ½ inch, and towards the front, I began evening it out. Since when you guys saw the big hole from the last episode, we went ahead and foamed that up so we can start shaving up front. Now for this upcoming part, this is where the day after the previous video, so this is where we went ahead and removed the middle piece and just started reshaping everything and refilling in the best way we possibly could. Right there. So we're looking at about maybe an inch wider. This is what I envisioned was this taking place right here. That way it just all slides smooth. Before it was kind of and we don't want that. We just want a clean slate. So we're definitely gonna have to fill this up right here. I'm probably gonna end up cutting all this off right here just because it lumps up and I know it's gonna be an issue. So we're just gonna end up cutting that. But for now, we'll leave it. Definitely need to trim and just sand a little bit more inwards. For up here, we need to start cutting down, and I'll probably start that probably tomorrow once I cut down this. That alone has fixed the line a lot. I think right here you can just see from like the sides. We need to go ahead and cut this off and just make it as thin as possible. That way it just takes good fit, man. Right here, we're just pretty much concluding. This is the work I had completed pretty much in about 3 days worth of work. After reconstructing and reimagining how I wanted to do it, the car finally started taking shape and its form. The lines were looking better. I ended up actually messing up where I took off a little too much on one side, but went ahead and redo that, and you guys will see that in an upcoming video after this one. But the kit definitely started taking shape after we refoamed it. The front started taking shape as well, but I was very satisfied with the work done. If you guys like the content, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. Peace out.